Hello everyone. Have you ever put off something important until the last minute? Maybe a big assignment or work project, or even just sending an email. You tell yourself, I'll just do it tomorrow, and then tomorrow turns into next week. Procrastination isn't just about being lazy. In fact, science tells us and has proven that it is a natural reaction, and understanding why we do it can help us grow and overcome our procrastination. Today, I'm going to break it down into segments for 3 main reasons: fear, how our brain works, and fake productivity. Number 1 is fear of failure. One reason we procrastinate so much is because we are scared of failing. Basically, just the fear of messing it up is just stopping us from wanting to do it in the first place. Dr. Piers Steel, a psychology professor, found that perfectionists actually procrastinate the most because of that fear of messing up. Because if we never start, we can't fail. Steel, 2007. But in reality, not starting is the biggest issue of all. It is better to start and take more time than to not do it at all. Number 2 is our brain's short-term rewards. The second reason is something called present bias. Basically, our brains love quick rewards and getting the satisfaction from very little work. Dr. George Ainsley from 2010 explains that we would rather watch Netflix or scroll on TikTok because it makes us happy right now and it gives us the satisfaction of being entertained right now, rather than being stressed out from our school or homework or other responsibilities that we have during the day. So it's really hard to do stuff that's hard right now and be urgent about that when we have these tools to just satisfy ourselves in the moment. The third one is fake productivity. Have you ever cleaned your entire room instead of doing homework or doing things that you don't necessarily have to do right now, other than the things that are due tonight or due soon, or actually have a set timeline of when you need to get it done? That's something called fake productivity. Dr. Tim Cycle from 2013 found that we tend to trick ourselves into believing that we're being productive by doing many small tasks and taking a long time on those tasks, and basically just trying to distract ourselves from the things that are more important. Like, I'll answer emails or fold my laundry or organize my desk rather than do the assignments that'll take a long time or do my chores that'll take a long time, because I feel productive even though I'm really not doing much for myself in the moment. How to stop procrastinating. Now that we know why we do it, now we need to know how to fix it and how to overcome that issue. There are 3 simple tasks that you can do to help this. Break up your big tasks into smaller chunks so that as we're doing it, it feels less overwhelming and less stressful. The second one is to just start. Just start it. It may take more time, it might take you a while, but you will feel more motivated if you just start it. And to just be honest with yourself and just be more mindful about, am I actually doing what I need to be doing right now? Am I just distracting myself? Am I just avoiding the hard things that I don't want to do? And at the end of the day, procrastination isn't about being lazy. It's just our brain's way of avoiding things that stress us out. And so once we understand why we do it, we can stop letting it control our minds and our actions. Thank you for listening.